Hello guys, welcome to Passivern. In this video, I am going to review Brave or BreveVideo. It's running its lifetime deal on AppSumo, and as of now, I am recording this video. It's launched its lifetime deal yesterday, and within this one day, it has gotten 2 reviews, and see the reviews are almost 5 star. So now what is Brave? Brave is basically a online video update sharing tool, and it's very helpful and important for remote team. That means if you have remote team, then you can share the work progress or you can share the updates of your company to your team member using video. And to do this you need this brief. As you can see, they are claiming that it's an alternative of Loom and Vidyard. It's best for remote businesses, leads, and HR departments that want a simple way to keep their teams informed and aligned. So, Breve is an internal communication tool for creating and sharing video updates with your team plus measuring engagement. That means you can share your video updates with your team member using Breve. Besides, you can also get the statistics or the number of views, number of engagement. You can see all these types of statistics from Breve. If you see their lifetime deal pricing from here, see, they are offering you up to license tier 5, and the difference on these tiers are basically this team member. So if you increase the team member, you have to increase the license tier. So depending on your need, get the license tier you need. On license tier 1, you can get up to 16 team members, and on license tier 2 you can get up to 30 team members, and on the higher tier, that is license tier 5, you can get up to 200 team members. And as you can see, in all this license tier you can get all these features: unlimited video updates, unlimited contributors to updates, team engagement insights. You can get SSO or single sign-on using Slack and Google Workspace. You can integrate with Slack and Microsoft Team, full history update, automatic AI closed caption and analytics. All team members can be designated to manage, present, and schedule. So these features you can get, and as you can see, there have 2 reviews. So I think it's a good tool if you have remote team, and if you want to share the updates of your company or of your work progress with your team through video. So these are the things, guys. Now without further doing, let's go to the dashboard of Breve or BreveVideo, and let's see what have inside their dashboard. This is the dashboard that you will get after signing in on BreveVideo. From here you can create new update. See, I have no update here, so they are saying sorry, your library is currently empty. Now I will create a new update. Just click here, new update, and give the name of your update. Suppose I'm giving a name of my update. Now you can create this update just for you, or you can create update team effort. So if you create update just you, then record an update yourself, then share it to your team. You can do this thing. After that, there have team effort. You can gather a few of your team to contribute to an update in this section. Suppose I'll select here team effort, and you can select also just you depending on your need. I am selecting here team effort. After that, click on create update. So now your update have been created. From here, just click here plus icon, and then you can record your update, or you can also upload here your pre-recorded video actually. Let me click on this plus icon. Here give the title of your segment, suppose segment 1, or you can give maybe sales update, and you can select the presenter from here, and you can also add someone new just by clicking here. After that, you can select the duration also from here, and you can add note, suppose note 1. Suppose I'll select the duration 10 minutes. After that, click on add segment. So your segment has been added. See, in this way you can create a segment. After creating the segment, just click on the segment. See, this is the sales update March 2022. This segment I have created right now. I'm clicking on here, and I have to access my camera and microphone maybe here. Let me access all these things. let me reload it. So see, I have been, so camera already used, so I'm using my camera here to record the video. So these are the things, guys. I can record my video here actually, but as I'm using this camera to record the video, so I cannot use the camera again here. They're saying your camera is in use by another application, which means Brave can't access it. Please close the other application and try again. So these are the things, guys. You can record here. Also, you can upload your pre-recorded video here. Suppose I'll upload one video here, maybe this one, any video you can upload. See, this is the video that I have uploaded. You can take new one from here, or you can use this take. As I cannot record video because I am using my camera for this video, that's why I cannot record right now. But remember that you can record your video on this browser. Suppose I will take this one, just click here, use this take. Also, you can add here prompt, that means something private just for you. You can add here anything. Suppose I will add something dummy. I will copy these things from here because it's for dummy purpose. See, I have added this one. So these are the things, guys. After that, there have options setup and upload. So these are the things. If I click on new take, then I can see this setup, and from this setup, see, they are saying that I have to use my camera to see this setup. So I'm not showing it right now, but you can do these things, setting things. So you can set up everything from here, and from here you can see all your takes. Suppose I will select this one and I will use it. I'm extremely sorry, guys, because I can't show you how to record your own video from this browser because of this video. I'm extremely sorry for that. I'm using this one, use this take. So I'm clicking use this take. See, this is the video that I have updated, or that I have uploaded right now. You can change the recording from here. You can select your cover image from here, but there one thing is missing, that I will recommend to the authority of BreveVideo to add here some features so that we can add here our own custom image, just like the thumbnail of YouTube. So suppose I don't want to add any one of this cover image. I want to add a cover image from outside that I have designed by using Canva or by the help of my graphics designer. So this feature should be added here, I think. After that, they have notes. You can add here note. You can bold it, italic it. You can add here hyperlink. You can add here list, and there have attachment. So you can add here attachment also. Suppose I will add this image here. See, I can add here attachment in this way, and I can add here text. I will get some text from here. Suppose maybe this text, and I can bold it, italic it. Suppose I will do these things here. See, it's been bold. I can italic it, and I can link it also here. After doing everything, just click on submit changes. Similarly, you can add as many video or as many update you want to add. You can add these things here. So these are the things, guys. After adding all your update video, then you can preview these updates just by clicking here preview. See, I'm clicking here preview. See, your team members will view your videos just like this. And if you want to publish it, just go back, and from here click on publish. It will be published. Or if you don't publish it, then your things will be saved on this draft section. Now in my case, I want to publish it, so just click on publish and click on publish update. Now you can share the video. So these are the things, guys. See, there have the segment. On the segment option, there have Q&A, so your team members can have Q&A. And there have report. From here you can see all the reports: number of viewers, number of average amount watched, number of time is spent, and number of reaction. So these are the things, guys. Now suppose I will view this update from another browser. You can share your update from here. See, they have sharing option. These are the things, but I'll view these things from here. See, this is the view. Just click here, and from here select the video. See, it's playing. from here you can give feedback, so your team member can give feedback here. They can add comment, and they can also keep it anonymous, and they can share the feedback by emojis and then click on share feedback. In this way the feedback will be shared. See, so these are the things guys. Now let me reload it again, and you can share it from here. You can edit your things from here just by clicking edit section. People can comment here. Suppose I'll comment one thing here. Anything you can comment, and then it will be sent. So these are the things, and here is the description. See, here is the descriptions. There I have show more button. So these are the things guys here. Now if I go back to my dashboard, let me see the statistics from here. Suppose this is the update. I'm selecting this one. Sorry, and if I select it, it's coming here. So I want to view the report. Just click here, view report. See, there you can see number of viewer and 15% average amount watched, then average time spent and reaction. You can see the comments from here, and you can see the feedback also from here. So these are the things guys. From here you can have Q&A from here and segments. And if you create any update and don't publish, your updates will be saved on this draft section. See, if I go to this draft section, I have created this update for team effort and I haven't published it, so it's saved on this draft section. So your update will not miss. After that, there have team option. You can add your team members. Just from here you can see all your team members. You can change their roles from here. You can manage access. You can invite people just by clicking here invite. So these are the things guys. After that, there have your profile option. If you go to your profile from here, see, from here you can see your profile things. You can change your profile picture. Then there have amazing option names habit, so you can create your habit from here. Suppose to create habit, just click here get start, and here have option how regularly do you want to update your team. Suppose you want to update your team every week on Wednesday or on Monday. Select it and then click on continue. So no update in last 5 weeks, they are saying. In this way you can create your habit to give your team members new update. You can create new update from here also, or you can change your habit from here also. After that, there have company details, so you can add your company details from here. You can add your team members from here, and there have security option. So from here you can integrate your Google workspace or Slack, or you can also integrate magic link. After that, there have integrations, so you can integrate your Slack or Microsoft team as of now. So these are the things guys. It's very minimal, and it's very amazing tool, very interesting tool for the people who have remote team, I think. So if you think you need this tool for your business, or you need this tool to improve your personal growth, then you must get this brief lifetime deal from AppSumo. As you can see, the pricing starts at 59 USD only, and it's for lifetime. You can get at least 10% discount on this pricing. To get the 10% discount link, just go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount link. And it's an affiliate link guys. If you use this link to purchase this amazing deal, then I'll get a small commission without costing you any additional costing. So if you think this video is helpful for you, and if you think you need this tool, then please consider using this link to purchase this amazing deal, and visit our website www.passivern.com to get more tips and tricks about growing online business, and join our VIP lifetime deal discussion group. I'll give the link of this VIP lifetime deal discussion group in the description of this video and in the comment section. Just click on the link and join here. I will run giveaway campaign very soon on this group, so if you are interested to discuss about amazing lifetime deals and to get giveaways, then you can join here if you wish to join. Thank you so much guys for watching this video.